In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new expense in Jobber 2026. Step by step, let's get started by heading to Jobber in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's where you'll find the expenses section. Click Expenses to open your list of existing expenses and the controls you'll use to add a new one. At the top right, click the button labeled New Expense. This opens a clean form where you'll enter the details. Begin with the date. Click the date field and choose the day the purchase actually happened. Accurate dates keep your reporting clean and make reimbursement timelines clear. If you're catching up on bookkeeping, it's fine to backdate to the original purchase date. Next, type the item name. Keep it short but specific. Think gas for truck 2, box of screws, or printer ink. Consistent names make searches and reports a lot easier later on. Use the details or notes area to add helpful context. This is where you can include the vendor, why the item was needed, which job or department it supports, or any internal note that will help your team approve or reconcile it. A clear note saves back and forth questions later. Now add the total. Enter the full amount from the receipt, double check the currency, and ensure the number matches exactly, cents included. If your receipt shows an overall total with tax, use that final number so your reports stay consistent. For reimburse to, choose who should be paid back. Select the correct team member if they paid out of pocket. If it was a company card purchase that doesn't need reimbursement, choose the appropriate option your account uses for that scenario. Getting this right helps payroll and accounting move smoothly. Attach the receipt to support the expense. Click to upload a photo or PDF. Clear images work best. Make sure the vendor, date, line items, and total are readable. If you're on mobile, snapping a quick photo right away helps prevent lost receipts. If you don't have it handy, you can save now and add the file later, but attaching it immediately is ideal. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be returned to the expenses list, where your new entry will appear. From here, you can open it anytime to edit, add missing notes, or replace a receipt if needed. That's it. Quick, accurate, and organized. Follow these steps each time you log a purchase to keep your records reliable and your team reimbursed on time. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking in Jobber.